Hi guys, I'm Rigor Mendoza, fashion model and content creator. So pinili ko yung Surge hindi hindi lang dahil sa fitness kasi kung makikita nyo it's a lifestyle. Like meron tayong section for Surge Junior na pwede nyo isama yung mga kids nyo kapag gusto nyo mag-gym na pwede sila maglaro dito. Nakita nyo naman nasa basketball area tayo na you can do other activities like meron tayong mga golf simulator dyan, meron tayong billiards, and meron din mga PlayStation and PS5 na kung gusto nyo maglaro habang nasa gym kayo, pwede yan. So yun yung nagustuhan ko talaga sa Surge. Hindi lang siya gym, it's a lifestyle talaga siya.
It's on my mind, I guess it goes like na 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 na.
To all my followers and friends, come join Surge Fitness and Lifestyle, #myhappyplace.
Alright, thank you so much, Igor.
Thank you.